how to solve a system of linear equations using matrix inversion method. Now we will see another method using Cramer's rule. So here there is a system of linear equations in three unknowns, x1, x2, x3. Then three equations are there. So you take the determinant of the coefficient matrix. So here coefficients are a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. So if you take this, you will get a coefficient matrix. So find the determinant of that coefficient matrix and give it the name delta. Then delta is to be multiplied by x1. So delta is the determinant of the coefficient matrix. You multiply it by x1. When you multiply a determinant by a number, it is enough if you multiply the elements of one column. So now it is multiplied. The first column is multiplied by x1. Now again we are using another property of the determinant. You multiply this column fully by x2, this column fully by x3 and add that to the first column. By adding a multiple of the column to another column, its value will not be affected. So it will be equal. The value of this determinant is equal to this. Now if you take this, that is b1. So for this we can write b1. Similarly, for this we can write b2 and for this we can write b3. So that determinant is delta 1. So in this determinant, this column is replaced by b1, b2, b3. Other two columns are same. So for that we have given the name delta 1. Similarly, if this column is replaced by b1, b2, b3, that is delta 2. So delta 2 can be written like this. First column there is no change, a11, a21, a31. Second column you replace by b1, b2, b3, b1, b2, b3. Third column there is no change, a13, a23, a33. Similarly, delta 3, first two columns there is no change, a11, a21, a31, a12, a22, a32. This last column is replaced by b1, b2, b3. So now x1 into delta is delta 1. So x1 into delta is delta 1. That means x1 is delta 1 by delta. Similarly, x2 will be delta 2 by delta. x3 is delta 3 by delta. So using this we can solve the system of linear equations. Now let us see a problem in cricket using Cramer's rule. In a match, a cricket team needed just 6 runs to win with just one ball left to go. The last ball was bowled and batsman hit the ball. Ball is moving in a parabolic path in a vertical plane. So this is the equation of the path. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Then these are the 3 points through which the ball is moving. Ball is moving with respect to xy plane. And you have to decide whether the cricket team won the match. Farthest point where the vertical plane is meeting with the boundary is 70, 0. So when ball is touching the ground, y coordinate is 0. So this is the farthest point through which the vertical plane is passing. Now 3 points are given. So substitute for this x 10, y 8. When you substitute for this x 10, 10 square is 100. For this x 10, so you are getting an equation. Similarly, you substitute 20 and 16 in this expression. For this x, when you put 20, 20 square is 408, plus for this x you put 20, plus c is equal to 16. For this y you have to put 16. Then third point 40, 22. X 40, 40 square is 1608, plus for this x we have to put 40, plus c is equal to y we have to put 22. So you are getting 3 equations and 3 unknowns. A, B, C. 3 unknowns are there and 3 equations are there. Now you can use Cramer's rule. So you find the determinant of the coefficient matrix. So coefficients are 100, 10, 1, 400, 20, 1, 1641. Now in this column 100 is common, in this column 10 is common. So from this you take 100 outside, from this you take 10 outside. So 100 into 10, 1000. And after taking 100 from this column, it is 1, 4, 16. After taking 10 from this, it is 1, 2, 4. Now when you find the value of this determinant, it is minus 6. So value of this determinant is minus 6000. Then for getting delta 1, this column is replaced by this 8, 16, 22. Then if you find the value of this determinant, it is 100. Then for getting delta 2, second column is to be replaced by this value 8, 16, 22. You find the determinant of this. It is minus 7800. Then for getting delta 3, this column is to be replaced by this 8, 16, 22. If you find the determinant, it is 20,000. Now we can get A, B, C using Cramer's rule. Using Cramer's rule, A is delta 1 by delta. Delta 1 is 100. Delta 1 is 100. Delta is minus 6000. So after cancellation, you will get a minus 1 by 60. B is delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 is minus 7800. Delta is minus 6000. This minus will get cancelled, and after simplification you will get 13 by 10. C is delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 is 20,000. Then delta is minus 6000. After cancellation, after simplification, you will get minus 10 by 3. So now you are getting A, B, C. For this A, B, C, you are getting the values. Now you have to substitute that values in this expression. Now you substitute for this A, B, C. So after substituting for this A, B, C, we are getting the equation for the path of the ball. Next, our aim is to find out when x is 70, what is the y coordinate. So in this expression, for this x you substitute 70. Then when we complete this calculation, we will get 6. When x is 70, y is 6. Suppose the fielder is standing here. So ball is moving 6 meter from the ground. So the fielder will not be able to catch the ball. The team which was batting won the game.